I'm making roguelite rhythm shooter, and in this video I want to briefly share some progress and new interesting features in the game. As I said, this game is roguelite, so player can find buffs and discover different builds by mixing various buff types. I added more buffs and made markup for them. Now you can see icons, colorized words and some hints. It helps to instantly see stats and effects that you might want for your build. And in general it just looks more informative and readable. I can even make words that bounce to the beat. I know no one cares, but I think it brings some life to the text. Default Unreal mannequin hands start to really annoy me, so we started to work on a hands model for the main character. I gathered some references, a 3D artist drew some concepts for me, and then I drew some concepts, and we decided to use AI to get more ideas. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I present the most gorgeous AI concept ever. Actually, it's something like this. Besides that, I also added more meta progression for player and weapons. Don't pay attention to the UI, it's ugly version and it's going to be rewarded. As I mentioned earlier, you can mix different buffs, so there is this feature, where you can buy points and increase drop chance of specific type, or multiple of them. For example, if players want to try some builds with arcane plus crystal plus time types, they could distribute points between them. And if they decided to try another combination, they always can get points back and redistribute them again. If you saw my previous devlogs, you probably noticed a new slot on the UI. This slot is for activatable abilities, so check out the first ability I made. It remains to add a revolver in the game and it's... I guess it's pretty interesting one, but it might be pretty difficult to hit them at high BPM. But hey, at least it isn't like this. Also, the 3D artist made these enemies models and I loved them, so I added two variants to the game. One shoots with the pillar that expands over time, and another one shoots with a homing projectile that you have to break until it damages you. I think one of the omissions of games like Metal Hellsinger and Bullets Per Minute is that they didn't use environment with music flow. Hi-Fi Rush has such feature and I think it looks great, so I'll try to do something like this too. So here's the first experiment with this. So that's it for now. Share your thoughts in the comments and join other socials where you can see more content, ask questions and even grab free assets. Bye!